Greetings to all. Now we are going to understand about some of the numericals from textbook and some of the extra sums. Now have a look on the sum, so you will understand very easily how to find out gain ratio from the sum. So first of all, take out old profit sharing ratio from the sum. So Aparna, Manish and Sonia are partners sharing profit and losses 3:2:1. So this is an old ratio. So very easily we can highlight old ratio. Manisha retires from the firm and the goodwill is valued at 1,80,000. Now, how to find out new profit sharing ratio? When the partner who retires, he will be out from the business. So, the left part will be of retiring partners. Now, firms good valued at 1,80,000. Aparna and Sonia settle with 3:2, prepare necessary journal entries. Now, in this particular case, we are available with new profit sharing ratio and old profit sharing ratio. So first of all, we will find out gain ratio. So gain ratio is 3:7. Now just go with the simple fraction of this, and then ultimately we will find out 1,80,000 as firm's goodwill, share of Manisha, and now you have to transfer that in the gain ratio. That is Aparna's capital account debit, Sonia's capital account debit to Manisha, because the partner who sacrificed will be always credit. Now there are few sums for the practice which we are going to go through. From the following particulars, calculate new profit sharing ratio. Shiv, Mohan and Hari are partners sharing 5:4. Mohan retired and his share was divided equally between Shiv and Hari. So switching towards this sum, have a look on that. So OPSR is given. First of all, write down OPSR. Now new profit sharing ratio is not given in the sum. So here we are available with gain ratio, that is 1:1, and the Mohan is a partner who retires. So here gaining ratio we can easily find out, retiring partner share multiplied by gain ratio. These are particular steps which is to be followed to find out the new profit sharing ratio. Have a look on the sum, please. So by solving these fractions and all, we can easily get the solution of this. Now the next sum, PQ partners were sharing profit and losses in 5:4:1. P retires from the firm. Now P is retiring from the firm. What will be the new profit sharing ratio? In this particular case, we have to resolve this in a very simple way. Old profit sharing ratio is 5:4:1. The person who retires will be now no more existing in the firm. So Q and R will be sharing in 4:1. The same pattern sum, R, S and M are partners with 2:5, 2/5, 2/5 and 1/5. M decide to retire from the business. Which share is taken by R and S in the ratio of 1:2? Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So how to solve this? First of all, we will find out gain share by applying the formula retiring partner share multiplied by gain ratio, and then we will find out new profit sharing ratio is equal to old profit sharing ratio plus gaining share. Only thing is we have to solve these equations. Kumar Lakshya is a homework sum. You can do it by your own because same pattern is used. And the last sum in this we have to find out. First of all, I will read the sum. PQR are partners sharing profit and losses in 7:5:3. P retires and it is decided that profit sharing ratio of Q and R will be same as existing part between P and Q. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of NPSR. So new profit sharing ratio and gain ratio. So OPSR is given, new profit sharing ratio is given. Just find out applying the formula of gain ratio. Thank you.